Hello everybody, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, today I will try to discuss a very common, a very ubiquitous question that is mostly asked in Ielts tests, speaking test especially. The test is actually you have to mention about some favorite personality or your favorite friend or your friend you like most. So in case of such type of questions where you can use so many words, if you make some try to manipulate the situation, so you can easily handle this and tackle this. So today I would like to talk about some words which are very useful and very conducive in order to help you regarding handling such type of questions. So let's start with the question. The first question is try try to say something or tell something about your favorite personality or your friend. Students, when you have to talk about such questions, you can say that my favorite person, name any person that you like most or your friend, and then you can say that he is very humble, very cooperative, very lowly, very submissive, very compliant. So all of these characteristics of quality are actually very common, and such words will actually embellish your speaking. And you may say that I just like him because though he belongs to a very affluent family, very rich family, very prosperous family, but again he is very humble and he is very lowly, down to earth. And talking about his demeanor, his manners, his conduct, his way of behaving with others, so he's every time nice and he's ready to help out others in time of emergency or in untoward situation or at the time of crisis. So that's why I like him most, because of such type of qualities. And talking about more qualities, we can add so many words, like we can say that he is not very bragging, not boastful, not arrogant, and he does not extol himself, he does not uh, plays his own trumpet or blows his own trumpet. He is very humble. So again, such type of qualities, actually once you speak about the positive things and then you again negate the same qualities, and then you can in this manner extend your question. Like first of all you talk about the qualities and then you give the antonyms of the same qualities but in negative manner. Like first you say that he is very humble, then again you say that after completing your sentence you say that he is not arrogant. If you put not again after the before the antonyms of same qualities, then again you can extend your question and you can add more words or vocabulary resources. So in this way you can present yourself, you can reflect yourself a more mature and more advanced level of speaker. I hope this trick will help you a lot in order to complete or accomplish good marks in IELTS speaking test, or overall if you are going to undergo or pass through some interview or regarding some speaking tests. So definitely you will have to follow this type of pattern. And